Welcome back. Let's go down memory lane, shall we? My good buddies, Rick and Terry, invited me to come stay with them at Edmonton, Canada. Had a great time there. Let's get on with the show.
It's like in paradise. This is inside the mall, and this is crazy, man. Look at this. On the slides. My boy Rick over here. Woo woo.
Feel free, jump in.
Oh yeah?
Get rested.
It's not in my country, man.
This mall had everything. It had the water park, it had an ice skating rink, a whole freaking lagoon with a pirate ship in it. It had a 4-star hotel. It had an Aztec-themed movie theater. Little did I know, this used to hold the world record for the largest mall in the world. Well, color me impressed. It's no surprise to anybody that Rick, Terry, and Al share a passion for nature. So we did a whole lot of nature stuff. They took me out to the cabin that they own right by the lake too. Pretty awesome stuff. I had a great time there, a lot of good memories. For this trip, I took more pictures than I did videos. So you know what that means. Montage. Rick promised that he would take me to the Rocky Mountains on the Canadian side of the country. And boy, look at how majestic this place is.
Rock slide too.
Welcome to Banff National Park. I was checking out this tree over here with its bark all scratched up, but I caught some hair too. I was like, oh man, some poor redhead got their hair caught in the bark. Little did I know, it was a scratching post for bears. Right before I discovered this place, I went to use the restroom just about 20 feet from that place. I got dumbass lucky. I went to go get some water for a backpacking trip, and boy, hot diggity dang, that was some of the best tasting water I ever had in my life. It was ice cold, refreshing, and delicious.
Sucks. Woo! Look at that, it's snowing. It's not supposed to be snowing. That's gonna go out. What you mean the sun's setting? Snow. Like it just sucks right now. Oh yeah.
But hey, you know what? I love every minute of it. And guess what we found in the morning? Natural spring water. You could literally see the water flowing out by the ripples on the surface. Gorgeous. I found this cute little waterfall that I was completely smitten with. I thought it was so adorable. And then Rick goes, "That's not a waterfall. You want to see a waterfall? I'll show you a waterfall." So we scaled back down the mountain, and he took me to this other place. I've seen a whole lot of waterfalls in my life, but this by far is one of the most violent ones I've seen up close. So, Rick, good job, man. That show is a waterfall, buddy. I sometimes forget how loud a waterfall can be, and this one was deafening.
Ducklings. So cute. Go ahead.
I saw bear, I saw moose, and what else am I missing? Buffalo. Man, lucked out, I got all the big ones. Look how majestic they are. This was as close as I felt that was safe, and I was trying to zoom in as much as possible, but with my SLR camera, I got a pretty good shot. You guys check it out. Shot of the trip. Am I right? Yeah, you know I'm right. It's so good. Spending time with my good buddy Rick and Terry and their family was one of the best times of my life. This 2 weeks was just so full of memories, and I don't want to forget it. So that's why I'm making these videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.